Hi, I'm Jessa with the Reynolds team of One Sotheby's International Realty. We've created a video series just for home buyers to learn more about what happens when buying a home. This fourth video provides tips on narrowing down criteria for your home search. There is a lot to consider when buying a home to ensure you get the best home for you. We suggest creating a list, distinguishing what you want from what you need. Here's how to think about the difference. Start with envisioning your ideal home. Does it have a huge yard for your dogs to run around? Or is it a condo overlooking the ocean? Where is it and what makes it special to you? Now think about your budget and how much you can really afford. If you're ready to shop for homes, you should have already gotten a pre-approval from a lender. So with that price in mind, you may need to forego some of the wants. Conversely, as you put together the picture of your dream home, you may discover that there are features you don't want to sacrifice and for which you're willing to pay more. Either way, your realtor will help guide you with what is reasonable in your price range. Sometimes the wants are easy to distinguish from the needs because you'll find yourself saying, "A pool might be nice." When evaluating your needs and wants, it's a good idea to consider value items with more weight than things that are personal preference. Items that add value include impact windows, age of roof and AC, and location. Another way to look at it is wants are things that you can add or change on your own, such as paint, flooring, and even adding a pool. If you find a home with good bones in the location you love and in your price range, don't let the paint colors and cabinetry deter you from buying the home. Your realtor can connect you with trusted contractors who can turn the house into your dream home. Finding a great home at a good price is infinitely easier when you're flexible on your wants. As you prepare to buy a home, remember that no home is perfect, and you may end up making compromises. But with a good understanding of what is most important to you, what you can live without, and what will add value to the home, finding the right one will be easier. We hope that these tips help guide you when starting your home search. If you have any questions or are considering buying a home, contact our team. Our information is below.